What's good, y'all? I got some good news and I got some bad news about the Mustang. So as y'all heard in the last video, I needed my spark plugs changed. So I got that done. And I took it there on a Wednesday and got it back on a Thursday the next week. So I don't know why it took so long, but I got it back. And now it sounds like my engine is knocking.
Good.
So that's bad news. And I'm pretty sad about it. I haven't been able to drive that car well, I've been driving it, but not how I want to for a little minute. I mean, now I found somebody that can get it fixed. We're gonna meet up with him later today. He's picking up the car and he's taking it to his shop. So hopefully everything goes good. I trust him because he builds 3-valve engines. He has 3 supercharged 3 valves, and he's done it all himself. Hopefully that goes well. So yeah, we'll be meeting on with him later today. His name is Zach, and he has a friend with him named Ethan. He has a 2010 Mustang. Hopefully we can see his, and I'll show y'all his. But yeah, that's all for right now. So I'll keep y'all updated. We're on the way to go help Zach put the car on the trailer right now. He said he was about 10 minutes away. So we're just heading there now so we can meet him there.
This whole situation is crazy. You know, we took your car to the shop.
Yeah.
To get the spark plugs removed. You can show them the spark plugs, actually.
Oh yeah.
I forgot we got them in the car. Yeah. See, we were having some issues.
I don't even look like the thread came off of this one. It's right here. Like, it's crazy.
Luckily, Trey has a big group of car guys that they have a chat, and these guys reached out to us and are willing to help us get the car fixed. Because we took it to the shop, they removed the spark plugs, put new spark plugs in, and now there's this huge knocking sound that wasn't there before. And Trey's been kind of, he's been a little upbeat. You've been kind of sad since your car's been out.
I mean, who wouldn't be? I just put cams in, it hasn't even been a month since I had cams in.
Right. You were just entering the cam world, and then now it's like something else that was supposed to be simple. But, you know, we know removing hard, stuck spark plugs is not always easy, but it wasn't supposed to be like this. That must be him right there. Look.
That's literally...
show him, he's pulling up.
Yeah, that's him right here.
Perfect timing.
And then y'all see
Same
the car.
time.
The car over here. Total perfect, actually.
Man, hopefully they can fix it without breaking the bank.
Yeah. So here's the car. I know you guys haven't seen it since it's been sitting. Look, it has spider webs on it. Oh no. Oh no. It looks crazy right now, but here he is pulling in. I don't even want to get near this. Look at the spider webs. Huh? Yeah, we can if we need to. But yeah, alright guys, we're here with Zach. We got the trailer here.
Yeah, so they were at a car show.
Hopefully everything goes well. We're about to put it up.
Yes. They were like, hey man.
Ethan wasn't able to make it. I guess he's busy right now, but we're about to load the truck right now. And I'll try to get some clips of us loading the truck. We're right here right now at the shop. We're just talking about, we're just going over everything, over what happened and stuff. So we're just looking at the car. It looks good. I miss it. I want to drive it so bad.
Yeah. We went over there the other day. Michael Jordan's racing. 23.
Oh, 2311, yeah.
We were at Birkdale.
This thing collecting dust. Got spider webs on the back. I'm like up on here. Good God Almighty. Pulling the car into the trailer right now.
But once you get up on the ramp, just be okay. There you go. That's it.
just playing guessing game. We just accidentally locked the keys in the car, so we got to run back to the house and get the extra spare keys before they pull off.
I'm excited. They definitely know what they're doing, so I'm not even hoping everything goes well anymore. I know it's gonna go pretty well. 'Cause they said with these 2010s, the spark plugs aren't even supposed to get stuck. It's only for the 05 to I think 08 or 07 or 09, something like that. Because they redesigned the spark plugs so they're not as long. Well, I'm gonna go to the shop tomorrow and see what happens. So praying for the best. So car's leaving now. As you can see, it got a little bit darker. We got caught up talking, but tomorrow I should be going up there. We might check out some of Zach's cars. He has some nice cars up there. We'll get some content on those, but there goes Anubis. There he is.
You all right, man? Yeah. Like seeing your girlfriend leave?
What?
Your girlfriend leaving?
Nope.